Zhuhai HengCang Electronic Technology Co. Limited, located in the beautiful coastal city of Zhuhai, is a professional manufacturer of all kinds of computer keyboards, terminal keyboards, gaming keyboards, and related products. With more than 20 years of professional keyboard production experience, it is the first mechanical keyboard manufacturer in the industry to achieve batch adjustment of the hand feeling. The company's R&D department can file research and development according to the special needs of customers, and complete all the design processes such as ID, product structure, hardware, software, and technology. HengCang has a professional modern laboratory, which can carry out mechanical switch life tests, friction tests, cold and heat shock tests, salt spray tests, drop tests, transportation tests, and other experiments. To provide accurate test data for product development and quality analysis, IQC inspectors carefully inspect the appearance and lay a solid foundation for improving production efficiency and finished product quality. The modern production workshop built by HengCang is equipped with automatic shaft inserting machine, wave soldering, high-precision ultrasonic welding machine, UV screen printing machine, Keycap automatic assembly machine, Keycap character detection system, and other automatic equipment to improve production efficiency. With the annual production capacity of 1 million units of various types of keyboards. At the same time, our quality department strictly controls the quality. We strictly implement incoming quality control, in-process quality control, and final quality control, and have a team of experienced quality inspectors to ensure the product quality of customers. HengCang, since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the quality first, customer first, standardized management, continuous improvement purpose, in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 quality management system operation, to ensure the continuous improvement of product quality, dedication to provide customers with high quality OEM ODM service. Customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. HengCang all staff welcome to your visit.